2019. Somebody's barbecuing at the Timmy Moore pit, so they can bring me some later on if they don't mind. All right, here we go. Time to get serious and have some fun. Bombers, first feature of the night, we're ready to go. John McCormick gonna lead the field of green. Aaron Foyt at his outside. Greg Bruce Sr., Paul Gottschalk, and Christian Torres. Here we go. Green flag is out. Front feature line is underway. All right. And getting rid of the mosquitoes. Look at Paul Gottschalk at 49. High and wide and handsome. Flying off there between ourselves. That didn't count. No start. That was an exciting way to not start a feature. Waved off because people were passing before the start and finish line. So take note, everybody else. Can't do that. So let's reset. John McCormick, the green 52 there on the pole. That's Aaron Foy, the orange 7. Greg Bruce Sr., the silver pole at number 4. Paul Gottschalk, 29, and the 7. Christian Torres, Michael Scannell, not going to start. All right, let's try this for real here, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so John McCormick, last year's Bomber, they got the lead, but he's got no one down that day. Here comes Greg Bruce Sr. the 4th. Trying to get the first point of 2019 and take over that point lead, which is still super by 7. Block at number 4, he finishes in. Been so close all season long, and finally able to get it done, so we'll head on over here. We'll let him sit in the window there. Hey buddy, congratulations, awesome drive for you today. You got a guy back there making his first start, making you work for it tonight, but you were able to finally get it done. How does it feel?
Good. I've been doing it for a while, and I said, well, I'm gonna build this car and try it. This is what I did. It's been real good, this race. I like coming here, racing here. Been coming here for years, and I love it.
You guys have worked so hard. You've had a lot of ups and downs. You've had some good runs. Heck, you blew up and you were on fire for half a lap here just a couple of months ago, and you guys keep fighting. You're here week in and week out. You win the race. You take over the point lead.
My heart stopped when that happened, but it blew up. I thought, oh, no, there's something wrong here. I said, I don't want no more part of that. But I love coming here. Thank everybody for coming to watch the races, and I hope they come every week. That's what we need.
Greg, congratulations. Great run. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Greg Bruce Sr., your race winner. Special way down here with the whole family. Now we'll move on over and talk to our second place finisher. Paul Gottschalk, great run in second spot. Man, it looks like you had something for him a little bit. The car gave up just a little there at the end.
Yeah, the tire started going away toward the end. At the beginning of it, I thought I had a little something for him. I got up beside him on the outside a couple times. I tried to get down below him a couple times, but just trying to use up my equipment. But I just want to thank my sponsors, James Adam, for letting me have the opportunity to crawl in this. It's the Zoe Cure car. It's for a great cause. Edgewater Screen, Russell, I just appreciate all the support he gives us for letting us come out and play. Got to thank my wife and thank Marlene and thank all the fans for coming out.
Hey, we appreciate you being here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Paul Gottschalk coming home in second place. First time out in this car, doing a great job.